Delete OneKey Wallet account. How to remove OneKey Wallet data. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can remove your OneKey Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To remove your OneKey Wallet from your wallet app, you open the OneKey Wallet app and make sure you're logged in. Then from the top left you can tap on this account menu that you can see here. Now within a certain wallet, if you have multiple accounts, and now if you want to delete one of these accounts from within your wallet, what you have to do is on the right hand side of each of these wallet you'll find the three dots icon. So you can just select the three dots icon over there, and when you've done that you'll find all these options. If you look at the very bottom you'll find the trash icon that says remove. So all you have to do is just select the remove button. It will ask you for a confirmation, so yes, you can tap on the remove button, and now that particular wallet has been successfully removed. This way you will then be able to basically remove OneKey Wallet data. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.